pushing two of them.
Welcome, Canadoodle Reveiws.
What are we doing today?
Cars and train.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We're gonna play with Vtech cars and the train set.
Yeah. It's a van.
A van, and what's the next one?
A plane.
A plane. What's that one? A truck.
A truck. A police car.
That's a nice one.
It's a police car.
Yeah. A four-wheeler.
A four-wheeler.
What else? What are the other ones? What color is the four-wheeler?
A red.
It's red.
A truck.
Another truck.
And a tow truck. A helicopter.
A helicopter.
A race car.
A race car. Oh, the race car goes on the train.
Yeah.
That's cool. Whoa! It moves. Oh no, it's gonna hit me. Oh my goodness. There it goes. That is so cool, Hudson.
A fire truck.
A fire truck. What's the last one? A cement truck. Yeah. Here is the Train Station Playset by Vtech.
No. Oh no! He's got it! What is the fire?
There he goes.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh, he's pushing the ATV. Uh-oh. Give him a little push. Are you helping him up?
Yeah. No more train! No more train!
No more train.
No.
There he goes.
I'm gonna get 2 cars.
Okay. There goes the race car.
And the police car.
And the police car.
And the four-wheeler.
And the four-wheeler.
And the tow truck.
The tow truck.
And the fire truck.
Fire truck.
And cylinder.
There it goes.
A helicopter. A truck. A van. A truck.
Last one. What's the last one?
A plane.
Is that an airplane?
Yeah. Oh, there's a white car.
Whoa, there it goes. Okay, crank him up.
And the helicopter. And the helicopter. And now I'm gonna get him up. All the slack. I'll get the helicopter up too. I'll get the helicopter up too. Up, up, push.
Good boy. They're both up there. Push, push.
On our truck down.
any cars? Mommy's got you a surprise.
You got me a surprise me.
Yeah, you want to see what it is?
Yeah.
It's a Kinder Surprise. Do you want it?
Yeah.
Okay, you gonna open it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna be a yellow card in there.
You think it's a yellow car in there? Okay, open it up. Let's find out.
Now we draw again, Mom.
Oh, yummy chocolate.
Now we draw again. It's a robot.
It's a robot? It's a purple robot?
Upside down. There was a slide. Yeah, next time. Look, pushing two of them.
You're pushing two of them.